It's the 23rd of December. I don't know what you're doing, but this is what we're doing. We're camping, and we're in Dawlish Warren in Devon. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. So guess where we are? If I come around here, you might know some people. Let's just go round here like that, turn like that, and that's where we are on the hill. There's Teresa and Phil, and our car as well. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Da 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 da. Dee dee dee. Dee 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 dee. Dee 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 dee. Dee 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 dee. Dee 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 dee. Beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Look at this caravan, look, 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 look. Look at this caravan flashing away. Wait till tonight, you'll see it better. This way. Woohoo! Yay! Turn. Give me a wave. Yes, it's Christmas. And this is what Christmas Eve looks like in Devon. Fantastic. There we are. Go that way. You're not going to believe this, but this is Christmas Eve, 24th of December 2024. The sun is shining, I'm in Devon, it's 14 degrees and I haven't even got a coat on. And they talk about global warming, well, I'm all for it at the minute, to be honest. Probably not politically correct thing to say, but look, everybody's on holiday and it's absolutely incredible just to say we're in Devon on Christmas Eve. We're just going to take the dog a walk and then we're off shopping. Catch you in a bit. Christmas Day walk into trees. Hello. 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 You two alright? You two alright, Phil? Yeah, just checking you're
All
alright.
I've got is my knee playing up.
You alright, Phil?
Yeah,
Good. Very good.
Hang on a minute, just step back a bit further. Just step back a bit further.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Do-do-do-do-do, do-do-do. You what? Yeah.
She likes to learn like what's that? No, that's what we need. One of those.
Three, two, one. And you're off.
Fuck off!
Yeah, cheese. Do you like cheese?
Cheese is gorgeous.
Cheese.
Oh, lovely.
Like sweaty feet.
Mm-hmm.
No, it isn't. It's lovely.
Sweaty feet.
Cheese.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Off you go.
Straight forward.
Stop. Down a bit.
Down.
Forward a little
down.
bit. Down a bit
Go
more.
forward,
Down
go
a bit.
forward. Go forward.
Back a bit. Back a bit.
Go on, go forward.
Right a bit.
Down.
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 Down. Forward.
Down and
Forward.
forward.
Up. Right up.
Got
Back
it.
to
At
me.
last.
Yeah.
Just grab it. Grab it. There you go.
Yeah, we got the back, but still got to get the other one back. Keep going, keep going.
Gabs.
Down. Fucking hell, look. Down, down. Yeah.
Yay!